Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to require Face ID to open certain apps on your iPhone 16e. So first, make sure that your Face ID is set up. Mine isn't, but this won't make a difference in terms of the method. And now just for your information, not every app supports this, because as you can see I can't lock the settings up, but if we want to lock the TikTok app, as you can see we have the require passcode, and if you would have a Face ID set up, there would be a Face ID option right there. But I will show you on my phone. As you can see, this is the iPhone 15 and there is a required Face ID because I have set it up before, so but on this phone I didn't, so there's a required passcode. But that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.